included. That means, for instance, we also have here individual screens on the plate that always show the current job or the next job that is printed. And in this machine, we also integrated already a barcode scanner in the front. So the machine itself is really prepared for fully automated.
They are printing on film or
Film. This is on the film, right? You're printing on the film, correct?
It's on the film, yeah.
This is DTF.
I think we are also using your designs here.
Yeah, I see that. Warriors.
This is our sample.
Yeah, our sample. Yeah, our artwork.
Yeah.
So here,
After
if you
this,
can come,
also,
sir.
finish your sample print.
Okay.
It's better to see the screen.
So we are printing first the colors
Yeah.
of all the three films, and then the white on top.
The machine has only one head, right?
3 heads.
Three heads.
Three
Seems
heads.
like just one head is working.
No, one already finished. It gone to second. No, it's third.
No, head. Head is-
One head.
Yeah, correct. One head. Yes,
It's a one
correct.
head, yeah.
Correct.
It seems like this machine is specialized in DPG.
DPG, yeah.
DTF machine should be conveyor belt like.
Yes, correct.
Conveyor belt like.
Yeah. So, but this is DTF. They converted to DTF and they're showing DTF.
I see.
They're printing it on the
This is
film.
already DTF, right?
Yeah, DTF. This is already DTF.
No, I mean the DTF machine. The typical DTF machine is like, for example, let's assume we have some printing machine like here.
Yes.
And the clip, and
Yeah.
then roll
Yeah.
based conveyor belt, something like that.
Ah,
Zing,
like
zing, zing, zing. But here,
Here it's
just a cut-
yeah
cut-
template.
cut-
Correct. Exactly.
It's not. It seems like focused on DTG,
DTG.
not DTF.
Yeah, correct.
You know what I mean?
It
That's
is
like
not in a
print-
roll form. I understand.
Roll
Yes,
printing. Roll
yes, yes.
printing, right?
Correct.
But this is not roll printing.
Not roll print. It's a template form.
That's what I'm saying.
This one, can I have a question? I have a question for you. Yeah, this one is we have to make a film template, right, to print on this, or we can. Is there any possibility that we can do roll printing?
Roll based.
Roll based.
No. So we are printing here really on cutted film.
Cutted
on
film.
Cutted pieces.
Just
So
conveyor.
Yeah, cut
here,
film.
just to show you, we have printed now several of your designs on one sheet. But in general, our idea will be to use always smaller sheets, but always one design, so one print on the shirt per sheet. Because in general, the workflow will be a little bit different than into a roll-to-roll machine, because we saw in the time you need to cut the film afterwards and then place it correctly on the final text line, it really takes a while.
뭘 하고 있는지 스크린이 나오네.
Our final workflow will be
카메라
that
안
we use the
나오는데.
film,
여기
print it
보면
as it is.
이 패널에서 뭐가 나오는지 여기 스크린이 나오네. 각자 세 개를 다른 걸로 할 수 있게.
Dry it, and then it's only used for one shirt.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I cannot yet show you this exact workflow here now today,
Yeah.
but the process that we are using is similar. So we also will print on the film, go to the powder application machine, put the film in the dryer that is usually connected directly to the powder applicator, and then press it on the shirt.
Okay. So
But
this.
it depends. And so you have to, sorry,
Yeah.
excuse me.
Yeah. Yeah. Continue. Okay.
So you have two different possibilities. Either you can use one film and place, what a lot of our customers are doing, is to place like 10, 15 bigger images or medium-sized images on one sheet, or place like 200-300 small make label prints on one sheet. Or if you really want to fully automate all the process, you could really print only one design per film.
Yeah.
And then you can take exactly this film. You don't have to care about positioning. There can be no mistakes from the operator as well. And press it on the final t-shirt or hoodie.
This looks great. I just have one more question. What kind of ink you using in that? Ink?
So
Is
we
it
are using a water-based pigment ink.
water-based?
Water-based
That
Pigment.
also maybe you have seen before, we are using a humidification system in the machine.
Yeah. Yeah, we've seen that.
It's these mushrooms here.
Yes.
So when you start the printer, we have some sensors inside the machine. They detect how humid it is at the moment. And if the humidity goes lower, the system will start automatically. And if you have then reached the good humidity level, then the humidifier stops.
Okay.
So you will not need to care so much about the environment as before.
Okay.
But that's
That's
also
good.
because we are using these water-based inks. That's why it is so important.
Yes. And one more. In this after finish printing ink, the glue is already applied on the same machine, or we have to go to the next machine. The glue.
No, so we have to go to the next machine. So usually, as you see here,
Yeah.
here is
This.
the printer
Yeah.
and here is the dryer.
Yes.
Usually you would really place the machine I show you now directly behind the machine so that you have no, not so much way to walk. It's just we are only a showroom and not a real production.
This is a handmade.
This
This
is
dryer
a-
first. Heat dryer.
It's I think this one is for
Heat
glue,
dryer.
right? Glue
Exactly, for the powder.
for the powder glue powder.
Handmade powder.
Yeah, handmade powder.
I see. Good.
So this goes to the conveyor, right?
Is the
Then
glue,
the
glue,
dryer.
glue already?
Dryer,
Glue
yeah,
down.
glue
And
already.
then what's this?
Dryer.
Then this
Dryer
dryer.
conveyor.
After you know, handmade, after you know, glue and dryer.
Dryer.
So here in our showroom, we don't have the perfect workflow.
Yeah,
But
I get
usually, really, this machine is connected with the belt system you see here
Yeah.
directly to the dryer.
Yes.
And then we have it in the dryer for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes,
Yeah.
and then the film comes out. I think Rafaela already prepared
Yeah.
one film that she is already tried. You have to cut, and then you just go to the press.
So there won't be any relax. It is directly we can do the process, or we need to relax some time. We don't need to relax.
No, you can do it directly.
Okay.
You don't need some waiting time. So that's 100% polyester shirt.
Yeah.
And that's again the two possible workflows we explained before. Either
Yes.
you have one sheet, you have to cut it, and then of course the person who is putting it on the shirt needs to be careful about the positioning. Or there is another option, if you want to work fully automated, you can just use only one design per sheet. And that's the main reason why we actually work in sheets and not in a roll-to-roll machine.
Yeah. Perfect.
So you know that I should ask
But
them.
we will, of course, send you the samples,
Color problem.
Just a
so you
second.
can also feel the touch.
Yeah. Just a second. Yes, sir.
So as you know, when we press
Yes.
light color
Yeah.
on dark fabric,
Yes.
usually the color
The color of
shows
migration.
through the
Yes.
dark color on your fabric. So
Yes.
we see
The color
the
migration.
problem.
Yes. Yeah. So I have a question. One question. Suppose we have a dark colors like this. Blue. Like this blue. We have a white color, right? Now.
Yeah.
White color prints. Some of them we have a dark colors like red and navy.
Black, white.
So the like we want a snow white when we do the DTF and when we press,
Yeah.
there should not be any migration on the white.
I know that's the really difficult thing,
Yeah.
but with our inks,
Yes.
it's really, I don't know if you can see it so
Yes,
good
yes.
in the video, but it's a really, really intensive white. You
Yes.
see no color of the shirt coming through.
Yeah.
Also in this dark blue and also the red.
Yeah.
We took the blue one because also blue and red are the most
Yes.
difficult colors.
From this video, I cannot see any migration. This looks perfect, good, but I
We
want to
will
see.
for sure send you the shirt and also made it some films so you
Yes.
can press it by yourself
Yes, yes.
on your textile.
Most important is our most concern is the white, the white ink migration on the dark fabrics. Once after pressing, sometimes the color change after 1 day or 2 days. So we don't want that problem to be happen. So the white should be snow white always.
Now the white is in.
Yes.
I know it's always difficult if you show it only in a video.
No.
That's why we will send you everything.
Yes.
But the